Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Crypto.com looking at crypto. Now, it looks like it's been a rough couple of days actually in crypto land. We've got red across the board. Some people think it might have to do with the end of the year, and people are just taking profits, or people are tax loss harvesting, which doesn't quite sound right to me, but I guess if you invested when it was super high and now the crypto has crashed, that could be true, but I'm not sure that's the case, at least where I'm coming from. I was in pretty early with a lot of these, and just to go back at Crypto.com, the CRO, very popular currency here on the very popular Crypto.com exchange. You can see we're below 60 cents once again. Now, we've been fluctuating back and forth in you can see the 45 to 65, 70 maybe cent range in the last month. We expect a lot of consolidation here at this point. Let's look just over the last week. You can see we are up 70 cents almost, and we're just consolidating a little bit before we're going to bust back up through that mark and hopefully hit that dollar mark before the end of the year. Not really sure. The NFTs on Crypto.com are going bananas. Okay, they're selling out all over the place, and pretty cool stuff. Some of the stuff's not very popular. Some of the sports ones aren't selling out, but a lot of the other ones are. Another issue that's been dragging on the CRO, people swapping out for VVS, and now Tonic is the new DeFi currency there. So people are really going to town on that. You can take a look at that if you guys are interested. Going back over to the DeFi wallet, taking a look what's going on. You can see there's a couple bright spots. Now we got SushiSwap, which hasn't been in the news a whole lot, and Uniswap, both hitting the green light. So this is good news for long-term holders of these. Been down a little bit, so we're looking for some green space. Also, FTM is heading up in the green. Interesting currency there. I think I did a breakout review on that one. Go check that out. RSR is just a positive tick. And Zil, interesting. Alright, and the Earn. Now over here at Earn, what we have here, I have all my Matic staked. I have 500 Matic. So it's earning pretty good interest. If you guys want to see more about that, go check out my video on Matic and how to stake. But overall, I think we're going to be going down, and crypto is not going to be looking good until probably in the beginning of next year, is my prediction. And then beginning of next year, get on the bus, because we're going to the moon and Mars and beyond. Hopefully Bitcoin will be doing some recovery by then. Bitcoin has been hanging around 50K, and it looks like, I think it has a lot of potential. Once we get into the new year, people are going to be getting into that currency some more. You can see we're actually down to 48. So, not what I want to see. Alright. Good buying opportunity. Good prolonged low that we're having here. You can see we're kind of fell off a ledge. And over the last 3 months, you can see there's been a lot of volatility. So we're still actually up 12% over that period of time, but in there, we almost hit 70K. So, yeah, you know we're going back there and beyond. We look at a little bit longer term chart, you can see we are gradually going up. So I think we're just in a bit of a consolidation phase, and we'll be heading up past that 60K mark again, probably in the mid-January time frame. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.